How to buy the Baby Doge Coin in Trust Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about step-by-step process to purchase the Baby Doge Coin using your Trust Wallet. First of all, launch the app and provide in your passcode to get logged in. Once that you have logged in, from the home screen, tap on the plus icon which is available on the top right corner. Once you tap on it, you will see the search bar. In that search bar, type in Baby Doge and you will see the listed option. First thing first, you'll have to turn on the toggle switch on the next to it. Once that is done, the Baby Doge coin will now appear on your home page. Now go back to your home page and on the wallet section, tap on Baby Doge coin. This way, tapping on it, you will see 4 options listed, which is send, receive, buy and swap. From the option, select on buy and it will take you to another page. Now from here, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you wish to purchase. At the bottom, you can select your payment method, which includes debit card, credit card or any other available methods. So you can continue with the payment and then follow the on-screen instructions which will eventually take you to the success page. First of all, you'll have to confirm and you're good to go. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.